All right, if you're here, you got this question wrong. This question it is on DEET, which is a toxic thing that a lot of humans and other meat eating, vegetable eating, any carnivore, anything that eats really, I should say, has DDT in it. So we have a part per million question. So I'm going to write the part per million circle over here. Now, if you have Watkins and you're watching this, he draws it as a triangle, which is just fine. It's probably even better, but I like the Tom circle because my name's Tom, and you can kind of, if you use your imagination, see a Tom in there. All right, the Tom circle for parts per million, it says that parts per million is equal to milligrams over kilograms. Now, this one's not too hard. Sometimes you have to move the decimal if I don't give you milligrams or kilograms, but besides that, it's pretty straightforward. All right, so it says the average human has 15 part per million of DDT in their fat tissue. If you have a 2 kilogram fat tissue in your body, then you're lucky you're not fat at all. How many milligrams of DDT do you contain? So it's asking for the milligrams of DDT. So I'm going to cover that up, and I will do whatever is left in the math. So to solve for milligrams, I cover it up, and it tells me I'm left with part per million times kilogram. So I take my 15 part per million, and I multiply it by my number of kilograms, and I end up with 30 part per million. It might seem easy because it is easy. And this is exactly like one of the problems on the test. The only way to really mess this up, I guess, is just to do your algebra wrong and to divide. So if you got 7.5 as your wrong answer, you just had it upside down, even though you're just supposed to multiply. There's a few ways to go wrong, but just draw this circle, and you should be able to do this one nice and solid.